to install your TAZER Mini, it's going to go right about here. So we're going to rip this off, which I already started. I forgot to, I had to film it. It's got these little plastic push clips. I popped one off when I took it off a minute ago. Get that out of the way. It's right here. So you go under the dash for USB port. USB port is here. Right here. On the tip of my finger is where you're going to unplug the two plugs and plug the TAZER in right there. Alright, just yank those two out. Take the TAZER, one size bigger than the other. We'll connect one right here. Connect one right here. And you have just installed your TAZER. Put it back up here out of the way. Then put the panel back on and you're good to go. In the box it comes with these two QRO codes here. That one's got your directions and that one has your, that's your updates link. I don't have a computer, so I'm gonna see if I can do this without a computer. So yeah, I only have a phone and an iPad. Well, I don't know if you can do updates with a phone and iPad, but I will know shortly. Full reboot. Hit OK. Reboot, 149 seconds. Now I gotta wait. When you get done with the reboot, you then have to cycle it on and off twice. So the directions say you turn it to run, you turn it off, then you open and close the door, wait a minute. If you can look and tell, I don't have my doors on. So I guess this will work. I don't know what you do when you don't have doors on. So, all right, so turn it off once. Turn it back on again now. To that, we turn it back off. Now we gotta wait 60 seconds. Turn it back on again, and that should fix it. All right, boot it up for the second time. It's still coming back. Oh, 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 no? Yes or no? No, it did not. So it didn't fix it. However, it did remember the start-stop setting. That's the main thing I wanted to fix. I do want to change my tire pressure. I don't want it being set at 36. I want to drop down a little bit lower, because this Jeep does not like to drive at 36 PSI. I'm sure 36 PSI, the government loves me running it there, but at 36 PSI, the thing drives horrible. It's not safe. It's not the way I want to drive this thing. So yeah, try and change that. It ain't taking. I tried 28, thought maybe I went too low. Bumped up to 30, it still ain't taking it. We'll see. Like I said, the one problem here may very well be, it says in the directions to open and close the door when you're done. I don't have the doors on. I can't open and close the doors. They're down there in the barn getting rained on. So yeah, my barn's not sealed up very good. It's a pole barn with leaks everywhere. So yeah, either way, if this don't work, I may have to wait until I put the doors back on the Jeep in wintertime and then reset everything then, which may be what I'm gonna do, because it seems like it ain't taking. But that being said, I activated the light show. I want to see that. Like that. I like the light show, so let's see if it works. Unlock, unlock, lock, unlock.